Oh, hey guys, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Perfect. So let's get to the buyers. Yeah. So dollar index as expected, prices making new highs and yeah, gold I was expecting a very good short in gold, but for some reason dollar index and gold are going together. I don't know for what reason it is, but yeah. But the overall, we need price to take out the lows again. Still, I wanted like yeah. Anyway, technically speaking, price can make new lows again after mitigating this FVG. And silver is also pretty much same. It has been mitigated by this FVG, so expecting new lows to be made till this particular BPR over here. So till this BPR, we can expect some good shorts in it. From here, we might look for longs. And yeah, looking at Euro USD, price has mitigated this particular POI. I was waiting for price to mitigate you know, the FVG, inverse FVG here. Let's wait for that to happen. Can go short from there. From here, we'll look for the shorting. Then till here. From here, we might go long. From here, we might look for shorts. GBP is also pretty much same. It has mitigated, taken out the supply side again. This is something called CISD. If you guys are aware of it, it's a change of character in the smaller time frame. Next, we got the USD JPY. It's still at sideways. Next, we got AUD USD. AUD USD is like pretty much sideways, and I'm not comfortable trading this chart today. Same with the USD CHF. Euro GBP, I don't trade this personally, but today we would have got this, and we need price to mitigate this order flow or the breakup logs or whatever you might call. Yes, so this is an efficiency. Right now, I'm in this gold trade. I went short in it. The reason I went short in is because remote drawings. Okay, so yeah, so the first things first, let's mark the weekly POIs. We got the highs and we got the lows. Next, we'll switch back to the daily time frame, and as you can see, it was a very good sweep of the previous day high. And if you look at the overall structure, it is a very good change of character toward the downside. And here again, if you can see, we can expect price to take out the previous day low also. And anyway, if it terms out of the POIs and all, there is a POI called main threshold, the 50 percentage of the wick. From there, we might expect a pullback there. But let's see from where you might get a pullback over there. So it is just not the 50% theory. If you go in and refine it, we'll get any of the POI over there. Let's say any FVG or any breaker blocks or whatever it could be. See, as you can see, there is this order block, right? That's in an order flow. In high time, there is an order flow. So yeah, as you can see, this was a CISD again. Price has mitigated this with this particular POI. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, yeah, I'll do. Give me a second, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Yes, I'm back. Okay, so if you got any questions, let me know. This is what I've been doing. What changes the screens while explaining taking time to be load? Not sure what it is, but yeah, I hope it is great now. Is it? Is it good now? Yeah, perfect. So okay, so we got this CISD again, and after that we got this mitigation block and FVG overlap. I just refined this into a very smaller time frame, which is like a 15 minute. Then inside this, I have got this FVG and mitigated, like overlapped by the mitigation block. So this we call CB and BC, like you might know it, buy side inefficiency and sell side liquidity. So I have taken a position over here, like same like FVG, but it's a bit complicated thing. Yeah, you can refer to an FVG. So here we got the FVG and I have went short over here, kept stop loss above the previous candle high, and I'm targeting the previous day low. In between that, I'll be booking some partials at this point because of I have this over this thing, no, the order block thing. So I'll be aggressively trialing this. So basically, this trade is all about like IRL to ERL and ERL to IRL. I hope it would be good now. So yeah, right now price is going for the liquidity, I guess. It might mitigate this FVG, then it should fall again. Screen is blurred. Guys, try to join the stream, no? It would be better there. You, sir. Hi, Harshit. SL would be the previous swing high itself. I haven't changed it yet, but yeah, we can still do that. It still works. Yeah. So, guys, kindly join the YouTube over there. Its quality is good. You might get a little bit lag over there, but it still looks good, guys. Yes, Lokesh, we might look for the entry now. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं लेकिन it would be risky because of the price action, but if you can see the overall this thing, yeah, you can enter this 15-minute imbalance पे यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, यहाँ पे you can enter, keep your stops above this, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा stop loss ऊपर जाएगा. That's still fine. Let's see. Yep, awesome. Guys, I'm closing the Discord. Whoever is there, just kindly join the YouTube over there. I'm sharing the link again. Just do this. If you have any questions, just type it out over there. I'll be giving questions and Q&A over there. What are you guys are expecting today? So in 1 hour time frame, this is a good FVG, guys. So here we can give it a try. Also, this is called BC, buy side inefficiency. So we might expect a good fall in here after mitigating that part. Some charts and entries. Yeah. So as of now, this is looking good. In terms of the Forex, even Euro is looking good, but we might get, I think we don't be getting any entries in here. Let's wait, guys. Euro is looking good though, but not right now. We can expect price to mitigate this breakup block. Inside this zone, if we get any entry models, we're gonna look for it. Let's see. GBP pretty much same. I don't think it's going to retest. Nope. Avoid, avoid. Okay. Even natural gas is also same thing. Ah, apart from gold, I don't think we do have any entries. Actually, we can give it a try in this EuroCAD because what are the moves happening in Euro USD? Like there is a lag in between EuroCAD and Euro USD. Okay, so it's a cigarette. You might get a fall in this. A retest to this, then a good fall. There is a good POI though here, which is called BPR. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Oh, hi Vinayak. Kalyan here. My name is Kalyan. No issues with the beginner thing. Like you just need to understand the price action. That's it. We're gonna look for this entry if possible. Like if it works out, this could be a very good entry. Like it could be an A plus setup. We can have a good scalp in this. So as you can see, we have this order flow here. Let's wait for that. Yeah, I think gold is at the POI. Thank you, Vinay. I don't trade on strategies, bro. I trade on something called ICT concepts. It's all concepts. It's not a strategy. So it's like it works like a bakery. Okay. So if you mix one dough with another dough, you'll get a new product. No. So same thing. You have to combine all the concepts. You'll get an entry model. That's how it works. Hello. Guys, can you hear me? Hello. Am I audible to you? This might work out. So it's not going to look bad, guys. So once we get a closing below this one, we might get a, like a free fall, complete free fall we will get. Okay, sir. Thank you. Let's look at some other pairs. This is a kind of forming like a VCP setup. It's all the contraction thing. We might get a very good expansion in it. Yeah, we can give it a try. Yes, yes, yes. It's looking good though, but it's super risky. But it's worth the risk. Like we might get like a very crazy expansion. Tonight we have an event, no? CAT. It's a PMI, Product Manufacturing Index. Mhm. Yeah, let's say I don't think we do have any entries right now. Yes, Vinayak, I'll be coming live from every day from now on. This is the inverse refugee. That is the reason why we have got this good up move. What are you guys are watching, by the way? कुछ interesting सा है क्या? You guys took any positions today? Something like that. Am I audible, guys? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Perfect. So, what do you think of the rates? You guys are watching anything, or you guys are looking for something to work out? Anything on the radar? Okay. So, there is this possibility of this trade is we have this mitigation block, it has not mitigated yet, and the entry would be somewhere around New York 7:30. We might get like IST, I'm saying. If this works out, it works out. But yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this is a super risky trade. Let's see. But the actual entry we will be getting around 7 to 7:30 in the IST. So that the reason why I'm saying the exact time frame is so that's where the most of the New York traders will get active and the more trades we get. Yes, crude oil is under watch, looking so good, but I'm expecting some lows to be made before the highs. It has to be mitigated by this particular POIs, then that could be a very good entry. What is the big guy doing? Awesome. So here we see from this breaker, we can expect some longs. Gold is looking good for shorts only, but in the meantime, gold has any different plan. So after mitigation of this, we might expect good longs in it. But yeah, in the meantime, we might expect a little bit of retracement in it. Yeah, but still the trade looks so good. Yeah, till this high. But if anybody in this trade from here, they can keep this high as the keep little buffer above. Don't keep the exact this thing. Not right now. Wait for the closing below this candle. Below, after getting a closing below this candle, then we might add. Actually, this is the double pattern. It has mitigated this 1 hour FVG second time. We might expect a fall now. But see, the time is not the perfect the session, so that is why we might be getting this. But that's still a valid entry. It is a very good sign. We just need a closing below. Then, yeah, we are good to go. Oh, hello, Aditya. I hope I'm audible. Since when I've been trading, boss, it's been like close to 5 years since I'm in this industry. And yeah, I hardly say that like I've been learning everything from scratch. And I do have expertise in trading, ICT concepts. A lot of people might not know about it, but it's like people feel much complicated about it. But yeah, ICT trading is like very simple. I guess you might have heard it from a very wrong people, like who made it very complicated, like sound very complicated. But trust me, it is the easiest setup that you would trade. I specialized in Forex, commodities, and equities. Like I trade everything, but right now I'm into this Forex thing. Yep, it's all ICT, sir. Oh, positional view for the gold. So so there is something called this geopolitical bias. So since there are a lot of things are going on in the geopolitical things, like we might not expect anything to be very clear. So what we can do is no, keep things very simple. Like instead of thinking of for 2 months or 2 years or whatsoever, we can just keep it simple to trade for intradays or something like that. If you want to really invest in gold, then you are up to the gold. You can just buy a physical gold. Yeah. Closing below 32, 3,300 for 30-minute K confirms the bearish bias. Yes, actually, it has already given a closing below this previous low. That's a very good confirmation for us. But still, for this particular current structure, if you need a confirmation, then closing below this previous candle of 5 minutes would be enough. So closing below this confirms there is something called CISD. So in smaller time frame, we say that as a change of character. If you can see, this is the previous structure we took out the high also, right? So after getting a closing below, this becomes a change of character. And we're gonna look for a retest and we are going to trade this again. So it's all one more layer entry to it. And already I am ending this trade from London session. I have took a position over here, mitigated by this FEG. Kept stop losses above this. Now I am break even, like I have kept my stops to cost. And this is one more entry which is mitigated this 1 hour FVG here. It's called buy side inefficiency and sell side liquidity. It's called BC. So yeah, it has mitigated twice, taking out buy side and trap the retailers again. So now we can expect the actual move towards the downside. Yep, anytime. Yes, sir, I do have a mentorship option, but we are working on it. On the August first week, we'll be launching it soon. If you need any more update and if you guys want to stay connected to me, you can join the Discord server, which is the link is in the description. You can join over there. You will get daily market updates, daily analysis, weekly outlooks, trade breakdowns, and many more. Even you will get access to the mentors who are like you can make questions in the live market, and they might figure you out in the live time, like in the real time. And all you have to just do is just join the Discord server. Everything is free, guys. It's all free. Okay, when Euro is also setting up, but we need a little confirmation over here. We can consider this as a CIST, but a risky trade. I'm not taking this. We'll just give it a try. The reason why I said this is a risky trade is because it has mitigated this order flow. It is not the perfect one, but yet we can expect price to take out this sell side liquidity again to take out the retailers to get some more liquidity. So this is the partial booking and this is the entry time frame. And still we haven't got the perfect confirmation, but yet we have entered this. Positional bias, Lohit. So as I said earlier, we cannot comment on, for the long term thing because of these geopolitical things, whatever all going so right now. So instead, we can look for the intradays or swings for the, in a week time frame. And there is something called quarterly theory. So where big banks, hedge funds, and all of the people go for the summer vacation. So this is actually summer for the US people. So there won't be enough liquidity to, run the markets. So this is the reason if you have witnessed the markets for the past 2, 3 weeks, you've been not getting enough liquidity to trade. The reason being is no good participants in the market. But yeah, overall, gold is gold. We can expect price to make new highs in this, but before that, we need price to mitigate the POIs below. After getting it up, closing above these candles, then we might expect a positional view for the long. Till then, I would say no. The price action is going to be like this till 7:30. We'll do live from 7 from tomorrow so that we get some good price action. We might not be getting captured in this liquidity mouse. Yes, sir. We can expect because we have got like a very good expansion in the EOD. We can expect a gap down. Oh, actually, you know what? We have taken this position trade today, like in Nifty. It was a perfect VCP, and oh yeah, definitely. So crude oil is doing something like this. Let's remove the drawings. We'll go to the weekly time frame, refresh. So as you can see, the price action is like very clear that we have got a good closing above. Like actually, the price had to go above and make new highs. The fall we have got because of the Iran war. After the fall, price came back to the POS, which is this good order block. From here, price it's a kind of a base formation. It has done that. Next, we have got this nice accumulation and manipulation and distribution. So price had different plans over here. Price accumulated very well. and tried to manipulate and started to distribute, but instead of reversing from here, the price actually broken out this high. So which is a good sign of bullishness. So it still has good strength. We can expect price to make some new highs in this also. But before that, we need price to mitigate the discount zones. So the price is still trading at the highs. It's not that good to capture them. You might get it out that, this is a breakout block, so we can expect a move from here also. But no, we cannot expect a move from that. We have to wait for price to mitigate the discounted zone, either from this FVG or this inverse FVG or this order block. From there, we might expect a very good long and till. Can you guys see this very big imbalance? So what would you do when we get these big imbalances? You just simply put the equilibrium tool, and from the 50% of it, you can aim for your targets or your bias or anything like that. From here, we might expect some good reversals. Yep, as I said, I knew it. After getting a closing, guys, the price will again go back to the POI, which is this breaker block and CISD. Then it will start to fall again. So we'll try to add some more positions over there. Yep, definitely. Can we invite friends to Discord server? Yes, yes, definitely. If you have friends and all, yeah, definitely you can invite over here. I would really appreciate if you guys could do that. And guys, you might think this is a place where we sell courses and all, but exactly this is not a place to make money from the education. This is a place where I want to gather the like-minded traders, the traders who have fire inside them to get things done. It's like it's a like-minded place for the traders actually. Yes, boss, it's on August. Yeah, it's a good drop. I'll be adding more positions at this retracement to the POI. Let's see. A good retracement, then a good drop again. Exactly, sir. It's not about money, it's all about the talent. Yes, sir. And this is the only place where I would, want to help traders. Okay, they are not here to make money from the courses or anything like that. Like if you are someone who is serious about learning, then yeah, definitely. But if you want to learn anything different over here, then yeah, even you'll get good networking over here, good friends, who might share knowledge with it. Like if you want to my knowledge, how I do my analysis and all. So yeah, that's gonna be paid because it's my work, right? Oh, nice. Awesome. Awesome, guys. So that's what they say, no? How many pips? 70. And people will come up and say we have captured 100 pips in 1 minute. That doesn't make even any sense. Trust me, guys. Give me some job. Yes, sir, definitely. I'm gonna give you some job. Sure, sir. Hey, what about a euro? I forgot about it.
Yay, we are good in this. It's working out. I knew it. But see, it's gonna take some time to get things done, like in this particular time thing, because we're out of session now. It's 5:12. New York hasn't started fully yet. It's a London lunch. Right after 5:30, in between till 8 or 9, we can see some crazy liquidity kicking in. Ranging in break-even, not over, US London liquidity. Yes, boss. But yeah, still we managed to get this trade. It is going to work out though. Yeah, we might get a very hard liquidity. Like we can expect price to take out even the previous day low. Till there, we can expect some crazy momentum. Day low would be our target. JBY, which one you looking at specifically? I don't think so. Like I don't trade in these kind of price actions. I just simply avoid. So looking at any particular instrument, let me know. I'll do something about it. Yeah, targets are previously low. GPY is not that good though. Uh, okay, there is this BPR, no? So here you might expect some drop. 50% of this could work. कुछ सेटअप तो नहीं है ना यहाँ पे? No, sir. This we would have captured it, but I don't think I would have taken this trade because of the price action. इसने कुछ liquidity नहीं लिया ना? अगर this would have been taken out any below sell side liquidity, then I could have traded. Yeah, as expected, it's back to the game again. We'll look for price to. We can add some more quantities, guys, if anybody would like to, but yeah, make sure to manage your risk to reward. You can keep your stops above. Like those who entered over here, they can keep their stops to break even. Zero USD falling, good. We're up. Nice. SL would be the previous high. In 5 minute time frame, this mitigation high. How many have to do the position in gold? If anybody is in the gold position that we shared, like that I shared, I hope you guys are making some money. I think your trade is done. Oh, awesome. Easy money. Guys, if anybody, if you like safe players can book, okay? That is even still 3 hour, I guess. Yeah, safe players can book. We have got somewhere around close to 100 pips. Safe players can book. If anybody would like to take some additional risk, they can target till these zones. Like this is an out of session. That is the reason why we are not getting the trades. I mean, the exact moves which we're expecting.